Why buy Rainproof diesel generator set? Hello everyone, today we bring a Rainproof diesel generator set. The Rainproof shed diesel generator set is mainly equipped with a cover to prevent rainwater from entering. For example, Dingo Power, a 100 kilowatts Rainproof shed diesel generator set, uses Yashai diesel generator as e-power system, and is equipped with Shanghai Stanford copper brushless generator. The generator is 3 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and 2 meter high. The unit is equipped with a special rainproof base. The upper part is equipped with a cover for rainproof, with rainproof doors. Two sides of the cover are opened by 2 doors. It is convenient for maintenance personnel to repair or maintain. It is suitable for outdoor and outdoor construction, and can improve the rain, snow, sand and other capabilities of the generator set. It is convenient and easy to operate. The rainproof device of diesel generator set can well protect the generator set from rain, reduce the power off time, and avoid unnecessary human and financial losses. When purchasing diesel generator sets, we choose Dingo Power.